Hi everybody, it's Janet Bruce, and we're on our next project. Can you guess what it is? Yeah, it's a hole. And there's going to be a post put in there so I can hang more flowers up, because I've run out of ground. Follow along, there'll be more. This post hole digger has dug plenty of post here, and unfortunately it's broken. Well, halfway broken. We don't want to buy a new one because we keep saying, oh, we don't need a new one. We're not going to be doing any more post holes. Famous last words. And here's the test to see if it's as tall as I want it to be, or do I want it shorter? And I think it's just fine. I think it's good. Cement is now being put in the hole, and it's just dry cement, and we will be adding water. And the water is now being added, and then you take a stick or something and kind of slosh it around so that the water gets all the way to the bottom. The cement is still wet because we had rains last night. But we put 4 brackets up. I have another 4 for the other 2 sides, but they have to be spray painted. So Bruce is now spray painting them. And hanging them up.
Trying to.
Well, he's trying to hang them up. One down.
That didn't work.
Well, if you want to hold on, I'll get you a clothespin.
What's the clothespin gonna do?
You can hang it up. There we go. Our wash.
Now we gotta.
Repair damages.
And a new can of paint.
And here's the flower pole. All finished, but no flowers. And I'll get those on. If not this year, next year for sure. And here's the flower pole with the flower baskets on them. Well, 2 of the flower baskets. So this has 2, the other one has 2. And come next year, it will have 4. The bird houses and bird feeder through the winter will go up at the top. And the flower baskets will not be put up until probably May, early June. But that's what it's going to look like.